Hi, it's Missy. Just a quick little video. My friend's little girl asked to see some simple videos of me making cupcakes. I can't find my phone holder, so I'm just going to be, for this video, holding the phone in one hand and doing the cupcakes in the other. Couple of tips, really. If I can remember them. Oh yes, so obviously I'm not sharing my own recipe. Plenty of recipes online, but if you find a recipe where the batter is quite soft, so instead of doing it with a spoon you have to do it with an ice cream scoop, the cupcake will come out quite soft, or the sponge will be softer and it will rise better. So I've mixed in my cupcake batter. This does enough for about 24 cupcakes. Do it with my scoop. This is not going to be easy. Make a mess. And then you fill your standard size muffin case 2/3 up. So I'm making sure I'm actually filming this right. Ooh, 2/3 up. This will rise right to the top of the case. This particular recipe will rise. Not sure what different recipes do, but it's just a question of trial and error with different recipes. So yeah, the runnier the batter, so whatever recipe you find, the runnier the batter, the softer the cupcake sponge will be. Okay, that'll do for now. So I can do 24 of those. I'll bake them in my oven on 180 fan assisted oven for about 15 minutes. Then completely cool down and decorate. So that's all I can show in this video. So runny batter, ice cream scoop, and fill the cases 2/3 full in your muffin trays. That's it for now. Bye.